little bitty noggins, and I just had my pop-up market this morning, and I got home, and guess what came in the mail? A Hobbii order! So excited. So I am gonna do an unboxing for y'all, or unbagging. I guess it's a bag, huh? All right, so we're gonna pull this open. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never ordered from Hobbii before, so this is my first time. And I ordered some soft, cozy yarn. So starting out, we got this baby snuggle. It's a Chanel velvety feel soft yarn, and I love that color blue. It's like an oceany blue color. Super, super soft and cozy. All right, well, I got two of those. Baby snuggle. And then we got this baby snuggle in this pretty yellow color, which I also adore. It's so soft. Hobbii yarn is wonderful, apparently. I've seen a lot of people who have done open, like, unbagging and stuff like that. I got this brown color. It's impossible to find brown velvet or brown Chanel yarn. So when I saw that they had this in the baby snuggle, I was like, that's mine. And I think I only got one of those. I got two yellows. So here's the other yellow. So two blues, two yellows, a brown. This red baby snuggle here. Super cute. So these are all 100 grams or 3.5 ounces, and they are 120 meters or 131 yards. The recommended hook size is a J10, which is 6 millimeters. But yeah, there's red, and it's been impossible to find a good green yarn, and I was hoping it's not as green as I was hoping it would be. It's a good green, but I was hoping for something more along the lines of like a Kelly green. That's what I was craving. That's what I was hoping for. And I'm a little sad that it's not as bright as I thought it was going to be. And then, so a while back on one of my lives, I was complaining about the fact that my D hook for my Furls Odyssey had broken. And unfortunately, the Odyssey hooks are discontinued. So it's almost impossible to find the size that you want unless you are willing to pay extravagant amounts of money. Well, it just so happened that I had mentioned that on one of my lives, and someone reached out to me and was like, hey, I have a D Furls Odyssey in purple. Would you be willing, like, do you want to buy it? I cannot tell you how quickly I threw my money at that person. I was like, please, yes, thank you. I will pay it. I will pay however much. She was like, $20 and shipping. And I was like, deal. And it came in the mail just the other day. It is, where is it? Oh, did I bag it? I think I may have put it in my backpack. Hold on. The little tin that I use when I've got pop-up markets to take my hooks places. Here it is. Purple Furls Odyssey size D crochet hook. I was so excited. Let me tell y'all, I was ecstatic when she contacted me and was like, hey, you want, I can hook you up. Before that though, the one thing about Hobbii, their shipping was great. It was fast. The yarn comes from Denmark, so it's overseas for us over here in the United States. The shipping was quick. It was only like 3 or 4 days. However, their turnaround time was a little bit, it took a while. It was like a week and a half from the time I placed my order until it got shipped. I don't know if it was a supply chain thing. Maybe they were short on some of the sizes that, or not sizes, the colors that they needed for my order or what, but it took a little while for them to actually get it from the bagging up and packing, like finding all of the bits and pieces that I had ordered to the shipping. It took a little bit of time, but I mean, the shipping was quick from Denmark. I was expecting, you know, it was going to take some time to get through customs and all that, but that didn't happen. So it was nice. Prior to my live, I had placed the order with Hobbii, and I ordered a crochet hook as well. So I bought this Addy made in Germany 3.25, there's light, crochet hook. It's ergonomic. It's an Addy swing. So I was gonna try this out and see how it went. It looks like the box got a little busted up in shipping. It's okay. All right. Well, that's cozy. It fits. So I am I'm a knife hold crocheter. So I hold it like this. This actually fits really well in the hand, and it's got a spot right there for my thumb. So that's really nice. That's a little short. It's a little bit small, the hook part, but we'll have to see how this works out. If they work well, this might be a good replacement for my Odysseys. I will let you guys know how this works. It feels pretty comfortable. It's got a little bit of a bend. It's interesting. We'll have to see how it goes. But, so this is the hook that I got. Here are all of the yarns that I got. Would I order from Hobbii again? Yeah, absolutely. This is all the yarns that I got. I'm really excited to make something cute with them. Hopefully I'll have some tutorials coming out with these yarns, and y'all will be able to make cool stuff like me with this stuff. And I will absolutely let y'all know how this hook works out for me, because granted, I got my Furls Odyssey from a friend. We'll see how it goes, because if this is a good alternative, this is something that I can put my name behind and be like, hey guys, if you need a good knife hold hook, here we go. But I will let you know after I have done some research and used it and seen how it works out for me. But that was my Hobbii yarn haul. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and seeing what I got. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends who, you know, want to see cool things. I do lots of tutorials and I do lives every once in a while. I would love to see you guys on a live. So this is my time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you next time. Bye.